Online treasurer training is a statutory requirement. You will have complied with the requirement to complete treasurer training by watching this tutorial. At the end of the video, please confirm that you watched the tutorial by electronically signing the completion statement on the Reporter 7 Treasurer Training page. This tutorial will cover reporting requirements, disclaimers, Reporter 7 demonstration, and information about coordination. There are no contribution limits to an IEPAC, and there are no expenditure limits to support or oppose candidates. An independent expenditure PAC e-files a campaign finance report after making an independent expenditure communication. Independent expenditures include advertisements, mailings, social media boosts, and other distributed communications that support or oppose candidates. IEPAC reports are due within 7 business days after the goods or services are utilized to advocate for the election or defeat of a candidate. In addition, IEPAC reports are due within 24 hours if utilized within 9 days of any election. If this mailing is distributed on a Monday, the IEPAC report must be e-filed within 7 business days. Reports will be filed each time an IEPAC makes an independent expenditure communication of $250 or more in the aggregate for the calendar year. The reporting period dates will cover the time between each independent expenditure communication. The periods will have no date overlaps or gaps. Contributions to the IEPAC will be disclosed when IEPAC reports are filed. Any money received during the period will appear in that IEPAC report. IEPACs also file a year-end report each January 20th, whether independent expenditures are made or not. The campaign finance law requires statements that identify the top 5 contributors of $5,000 or more on independent expenditures and direct viewers to the OCPF website. Independent expenditures on paid radio and television require a disclosure statement communicated by the chief officer of the PAC. Here's an example of a statement of responsibility. If an independent expenditure is made through internet advertising, the statement of responsibility must appear in a clearly readable manner. A statement of responsibility disclaimer is required in internet advertising, including a podcast, in-app advertising, or social media advertising, if the advertising has a market value exceeding $250. This is Reporter 7. Click the All Reports tile. Enter the date the independent expenditure was utilized. Enter independent expenditures under the Expenditures tab. Choose the candidate supported or opposed. Enter receipts, if any, under the Receipts tab. To e-file the report, return to the Summary tab. IEPACs may not coordinate their efforts with candidates. For example, an IEPAC may not contact a candidate and ask where an independent mailing should be distributed. Prior to making independent expenditures, Please review OCPF's Bulletin IB 0601, which explains coordination rules in depth. IB 0601 can be found using OCPF's search engine. Thank you for completing Treasurer training, and please remember to confirm via Reporter 7 that you watched the video.